Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, and please don't mind the messy background. Today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how you can turn any music video into a karaoke, whether it is a music video from an artist, an acoustic version of that song, or maybe a live performance. And of course, we're gonna turn them into a song that you can sing on Smule. This is actually one of the best solutions that I found, so that you can sing songs that is newly released by an artist, because new songs sometimes they don't have an acoustic version or an karaoke version that you can sing to or sing along with. That's why I'm gonna show you how you can do that. A couple days ago, I was on TikTok, and on my For You page there was a video about this website called vocalremover.org. And it's actually a website where the AI will isolate or will remove any vocals from any music videos. But what I usually do is that I download music from YouTube, and the downloader that I'm using is the 4K video downloader. The one that I have is the premium version, and you can sign into like 3 computers. So $15 for 3 PCs is an amazing deal, like for real. There are also like free websites that you can use, or free applications that you can use, where you can download music from YouTube, but I prefer using this one because it just makes me feel safer. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find a music video that is an acoustic that we want to sing with and turn it into a karaoke version. So let's see.
6 hours later.
Okay, so after a couple of hours of deliberation, I finally found one song that I would love to sing in acoustic, and it's gonna be Driver's License by Olivia Rodrigo. So this is the one with vocals, right? So now what I wanted to do is just get the music from this song without the vocals, because just like what I said, I wanted to turn this into a karaoke. So what I'm gonna do, since I already have the 4K downloader on my PC, I'm just gonna open the app. The app looks like this, and then we're just gonna paste the link. We already copied it from the YouTube website, and then it's gonna show you this, so you can either extract the video or extract the audio. So we're gonna extract just the audio, and it would just like take 2 minutes depending on the speed, I think, of your bandwidth. So once that we have that, all right, so we have the music video. Now we are going to the website called vocalremover.org. So what you just need to do is, again, browse your file and find the music video that you just downloaded. So it's gonna be this one right here, and it's gonna upload it. So basically what it's gonna do is that the AI is gonna remove the vocals from the music. So it will take like a minute or two, again depending on the bandwidth or the speed of your internet. There you go. So now here is the file. So this one on top is just the music. This one at the bottom is the vocals. So let's go ahead and try to play that. So this is where the music starts, and as you can see, there's no more vocals on the song. The music is not gonna be that perfect, but I think it's good enough to be a karaoke file. So let's go ahead and jump to the chorus. See, it doesn't have any music or any vocals anymore. So if we minimize this and then we maximize the vocals, now you can only hear the vocals. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so now for you to download this file, you just need to click either of this. If you want to download the music, just click the music, and then if you want to download the vocals, just click the vocals. And now we have the karaoke music for this song. Nice, right? Okay. Alright, so our next step is going to be uploading it into Smule. So go to your Smule account, and you can only upload this on the website. So go to upload and then select an audio. So for me, it's going to be this one. And then just fill up this form. So after I fill up the form, just click next. And then you need to get the lyrics. So let's go ahead and find that. So here is the lyrics. Copy the lyrics and paste it here. And then after that, you need to select a singer for each what do you call this, part of the song. So let me just go ahead and finish that. Alright, so I'm finally done selecting who will be the singer for each part. And now we just need to click next. And then just follow this. So you click the spacebar whenever the singer needs to start singing the part or the lyrics. So let me just go ahead and finish this one, okay? Alright, there you go. Now it's done. So what you just need to do is go to Smule and look for driver's license acoustic version. And I'm also going to be posting the link on this video so that you can just go ahead and go there and sing to the acoustic version of this song. Yeah. Alright, so once again, this is Jackie and I hope that that video helps you a lot. And if it does, please do give this video a like and subscribe right now. Bye!